Hi everybody, thank you for watching my channel, and remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And also, if you want to buy the spinners, all the link will be in the description. Remember to click show more underneath the video to see all the links and plus a giveaway. Just don't miss it. Alright, so today we are going to continue the second part review of this Alquar Eagle Eyes hand spinner. There's a couple of the YouTube that they said this is one of the best spinner out there. So let's see if they can live up to his names. And let's take a quick look. It's good. They give you very good tin case. And just say this is red covers. And give you very nice card. Please read before spin. So okay, and give you a nice pouch extra. So this is the sunken, the ball bearing. So give you, let's take a quick look. I think this one is the something that you can do that later. So this one can open up the spinners. And this is a car. Give you nice like PU, look like it's PU, right? So this is the pure coppers spinners. So this is hollow, doesn't have a ball bearing in it. So it's just that one piece construction. And let's see. So I have some noise, but there's, I think it's probably same as the Phat Boy. So different metal make different noise. So this is more like aluminum noise. So this is a copper noise. They make different noise. Alright, so let's see if we can compete with the other spinners. So let's get started. So we mentioned that this is the stainless spinners, and this is savvy UFO spinners that you can buy for around like $16 to $20 US dollars. And this guy is around, sometimes it's on sale for $34 to $40. And this stainless spinner is around $45, and this is the most expensive one called Steampunk Phat Boy for $120. And I will post all the link for all these spinners in the video description. Just remember to click view more to see the link, and we will see the weight and the inside afterwards. So right now we passed 1 minute. That's a good sign. And this is on the side, it's just our gummy spinners. You can see the other videos. And this one is also silent. If you let it dry and harden. And it's fun to make. Take 2 minutes, and please just watch our video so you can see that the Phat Boy is going to stop. It probably can last for less than 2 minutes. So maybe someone suggests that the table spin sometimes it vibrate. it might slow it down. You can put it on deck or piece of paper. We'll try that later. So this one, the Phat Boy, already done. So you can buy the traditional silver one or the pink one for another $30, around $150. This guy is $110, but also they have counterfeit in Amazon that sell for $2. So I don't think that will have the same quality as this one. But it doesn't spin long, and it's not the quietest either. Oops. So sorry. So look like the Alquar also stop at 2 minutes and 30 cents. So let's take a quick look. So it's very smooth. So look at it, the ball bearing is inside with another cap here. Look like it's also ceramic, hybrid ceramic, like the symmetry, this ball bearing that some can use, but it doesn't spin as long as some can. So let's take the at 46. I'm at 46. So you can see that this is one of our quietest one. Let's stay away from it. This one probably at 36 because it's a ambient background noise. But you can see almost silent. If you want a quiet spinner, this is one to get. But this is $45. Back power can spin for like close to 4 minutes. And this guy probably is one of the best value, around $16 to $20. Can spin for like 5 minutes and give you very solid quality of the metals and good constructions. And that's it for our review. Sorry. So let's take a look on the weight. So this guy is around 2.45, so probably is the same weight as Sunkan. Sunkan probably 2.5. So this 2.45, and this guy is heavier, 2.9. 2.9 probably the same as the Phat Boy, 2.8. And this guy is 2.35. So this one is light, shiny, and quiet. Alright, that's it for today. Just remember to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. So this is the end credit. Just testing the sound. $44, $45, so $52. And that's it. Thank you for watching.